That is, in the previous we have seen the how Maya is make out the points, okay, and Nishad is always against. See how it is. Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. Poor man, Maya, the speech bubble of the Nishad and speech bubble of the Maya. Now Nishad is saying, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if it doesn't have any friends. At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays. How can, now Maya is saying, how can a crook have a friend, idiot? Now here, if you see, the Nishad is saying, no problem, dear, he is not a crook, he is not a criminal, he is very lonely man and he has only the one friend. Maya is saying, no, he is not his friend, a criminal doesn't have friend. Now what is the opinion of Maya? Let's see. The man must be Mr. Nath's accomplice, means who is helping in the crime, maybe helps all the loot, and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner Mr. Nath for expense. That's it. I am sure I am right. Now Maya is saying, no, he is not his friend. Maybe he is another criminal who is working with him, and he is coming to discuss, or he is coming to give the share of Mr. Nath. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya. He can't be such a bad man. If he gives Ramesh such a generous tip, Ramesh probably knows something about his past. So Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet. And now you are glaring at me with your arms tied crossed across your chest. I am beginning to get fed up with you, man. How can we make any progress with our investigation if you take that attitude, 7? Now here Maya is saying, why you are going against why you are crossing my opinion? If you are again and against crossing me by your like this attitude, by glaring at me with your arms tied across, by looking to me very angrily, we can't make progress. We have to work together. This is only the Maya's opinion. Okay, I will cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escaped cook. You really make me angry. Now here Nishad said clearly, if you call him as a crook, I will not help you. If you are not calling him as a crook, then I am ready to work with you. I make you angry, you stupid oaf. You make me mad. What is the point of all these inquiries if he is not a crook? If you think he is nobody, what's the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. Now she is saying that why you are angry to me. If you are saying I will not call him crook, if he is not a criminal, then what is point in investigation about him? There is no point to investigate, to take inquiry, to find out the information about Mr. Nath. No point. This is the opinion of Maya. I would like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. Now Maya said that if he is not a criminal, then nothing point to find out information about Mr. Nath. But what the point? Nishad said that no, I want to find out the information about Mr. Nath. Why? Because I want to know that why he is living very lonely, why he don't have friends. This information I have to find out. Try to understand, 7. If he lived in Shankar house for a year and hasn't made a single friend, there's something wrong. He is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give up him to the cops. Cops means police. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is. Now here Maya is saying, you don't understand why he is living alone, why he is not making friend. This is the simple thing, that because he is thinking, if I speak with anyone, if anyone comes to know me, definitely he will go to the police station and cop will caught me. Maybe no one's tried to make friend with him. I don't care. I like him. I am going to try and be his friend. Now here Nishad is saying, I don't know, but I am very I think that person is very good. So I am going to make a friendship with the Mr. Nath. Friends with a crook. Now Maya shocked. Maya said that friends, you are going to make friendship with a criminal. Ha! You are crazy. 7. The cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want to that happen? You edit. Now here Maya is saying, you want to that happen, that if you are making a friendship with criminal, definitely the police will take you. Why you are making friendship with him? Nishad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. My theories seemed to have made no impression on him at all. And in this way, Nishad went because his opinion is not matching with the Maya's opinion, and he is cross. So that's why he left. So in this way, the lesson ends. Thank you. In the Zoom meeting, please everyone see the videos. In the Zoom meeting, we are going to discuss the doubts. Thank you.